Good morning, good day, good afternoon. Welcome to the vlog. Yeah, up on the road to pay some bills, guys. That's all I do. Yeah, taxi. Good. Never want to walk go here to the road, so thank God him see me and reverse back. Me try walk past the meeting to see him there. Reverse up back to me. So, up on the front, alright. Good morning. Guys, we just finished no? Plaza empty, but good. Just after 9. Yeah. Go on place already. Just finished it one. I got digital payment. Digital bill. Right over there, so now. Digital. I wonder if it open. Hope it open because I can't leave it. Oh, it's open people that they are pay bill. So, make out. Guys, get through with all the bill place. Mega got a pharmacy. Got a pharmacy. I need something at the pharmacy. So I'm gonna see if me get it. And then got the supermarket. Me not buy nothing much. Just meat for cook Sunday and rice. Basically if it's not callaloo, I go buy callaloo on the road if me see me. It's basically that's it. And I can get to head back home and go make breakfast and eat. It's some minutes to 10 now, so it's still early. Because I might hear myself breakfast, but I try to come out early and done. So, just I got a pharmacy now to get something. Magnesium and I need some vitamin. Get through a pharmacy. I'm saying I go to the supermarket now, just go buy the rice and the meat for Sunday and save me see no callaloo, guys. Hopefully that quick and fast. Oh yeah, go looking at Bashka for summer. Hopefully quick and fast. When I reach home, go make my breakfast. Yeah. Oh snap, yeah, I need to buy a soap powder. Next time, need to do that. When I reach home back, man, by the latest 11 o'clock. I have a lot to do today. So, yeah. Showing you what the road looking like. Busy as always. Wow. Oh, get you a pharmacy really quick. Spanish town, see what what? No, no, no. Thanks. Eh. Oh, this morning. I can't believe, sir. Melon dropped to $80 a pound now. Like, seriously? Oh, she don't have no color though. I'm looking for the color though. Like, seriously. Alright. Mention a Bushko. I want to look at this man looking at one plate. Let's see. 1 plate. 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 1 As usual, bashka bashing in. Okay. I think I'm gonna buy one of that. It's a little one. Oh, so I'm playing dish. Let them go on there. Right, the one here. The grey one here, I'm kind of like this. I think my buy take the one here. Yeah, just one dish me come in here for buy. One dish. And I think I like this one actually. So, I'll press this. And go about Mary. Oh, so some other one like the Sado. But them that look good too. So come back. I finished with Bashka. No, no. Eh. Whew. That's so good. Finish with Bashka. I just never video much. Because I don't know if I choose to see me with the camera with the girl. She just come stand up beside me when a girl was working there. But not like I do not know nobody bother me. I can't on my plate them for buy. You come and stand up and have a sharp plate beside me. Like you watch me or something. Here. But it good for me with tongues. Something in there for book here. Yeah, you come and bother me. Don't do that. I know I took up this farm and I really want nothing more than the something there. Nice supermarket, I'm so don't know when to pick up tray. Can't meet me coming here for buy the rice on the floor. I don't see any color load on the road. When I see lady when I normally buy color load from. I need a soap powder. Oh God. I'm calling my soap powder aisle. My nose feel weird because of all of the fragrance from the soap. All the time. One big bag of I normally buy. I don't remember any mate. Oh, I need to take up a toilet paper too. Take up toilet paper first. Oh Lord. I'm not coming in for buying nothing. As I reach in, I remember everything what I want. I now come back a road the rest of the week. I'm not coming in for buying nothing. The throat feel dry. I'm walking in the sun. Sun will come out now. Because after 10 now. So the sun will come out. Let's take up on any shit to them. But I should take this one. I'll take this one instead of that one here. Let me change it. Take up a bigger one than that one there. The one is too small. Yeah. I have them in wash. I just need a soap powder for go. Normally get one good big one in a Shoppers Fair. Reasonable price. I can see. I ain't having Tony nice. Let me see. I think I hate this. American Fresh. Just stop playing them. Can't smell a thing. Lady. So them when I rev never used this before. No smell bad. No smell bad. This seems like it to wash our uniform good. But we can take this and take another one. Yeah. Uh, After them two here. Sunday. We're on the meat. Them actually have the pig steers from my glad. So my order take me away from. That's it. Come go home now. After 10 now, I reach up by 11 o'clock. They did not come in here to buy anything. So, yeah. But the supermarket, oh, my spot Callaloo. No, no, no. Try across the road, my spot the Callaloo. Spot the lady with the Callaloo side. May I go for now? I can't cross the road. Here, big truck, taxi. This, no. Just want to get my Callaloo. No. Callaloo. Much a bango fi Callaloo. Some more. Get me Callaloo. Get my Callaloo. So me good. Home time. Yeah. AM. May stop and fix the bag here. Oh. Yeah. Taxi time now is some minutes to 11. I'm really take me to reach home by 11 o'clock. Like here I come out early me if I go home time and but me check back here when I reach home, guys. Guys, I am home. Can't believe I reach home actually 10 minutes to 11. I'm gonna take me never reach home by 11 o'clock. I'm actually reach home before 11 o'clock. Taxi man. Yeah, because as I reach, I'm on taxi, the pan stand already. So, which was good. I'm really glad. So, I never had to wait. So, yeah, it was a really good one for me. I just had to put them little stuff out of the bag. I'm going to tell them never buy them nothing much because I already have all I need. Just leave for some spooky Sunday and I didn't buy because I have work all weekend, so I can't go on the road. Through the bag. Them well tape up this in a basket, which them well tape it up. So I'm going to show you the plate I did take. So these are the pig's tail and chicken foot that me use with Sunday dinner and peas of course, flour like I say, the rice them. I'm gonna buy 2 rami and 1 toko loco. Of course, I'm gonna get my callaloo. I'm gonna buy toilet paper and the soap them for tattoo a shower uniform. I'm gonna pull this, I'm gonna see. So actually buy this one. I'm gonna sit actually like them. That's some buy them one here. And the red one here as well, very thick, them very thick and nice. I like them. And the orange one, the first one let me show no, but they actually put it back and take up the orange one here, very thick, very heavy, nice, solid. Yeah, I don't have no color scheme going on in my kitchen. Whatever dishes I see and I like them, I buy them. Actually everybody does have them own color plate for them eat out of. So yeah, them 3 I buy. And that pack a cup here because I cannot I cannot have anything because of Billy and Tati. every cup them mash and them not pay for mash and crack up the dish them and the glass them. I'm tell myself never buy no more glass cup. Me have glass cup. I'm gonna put them all them in the cupboard. Can't put them out because of them. Them keep on broke up my this tired for buy cup, tired for buy glass. Mm-mm. So I gotta see how long them 4 year are gonna last. So come I gotta wash them in and put them in the cup pan. I gotta see how long them are gonna keep them in here. Guys, that's the just got me reach home back on time. So I put to them I feel so put to them and I top some food and eat. Like you didn't hear me, I hurry up to come back to come eat because apparently me feel hungry this morning, really hungry. Me know why. Me never eat last night before me go on my bed. Me never eat last night no dinner. Me eat in the day, but me never eat no dinner. I work all day yesterday and me never work from home. Me normally work. I actually travel. Go braid here. I actually do two braid. Start from early yesterday morning. Never reach home back until like 8 o'clock last night. And I feel really tired. I could not do the shower and go sleep. I never eat. So I'm gonna wake up this morning and say me run go pay the bill them. So I'm hungry. So I just put down them and get out of food. So come back. So so guys, this is what I'm having. Okay. Some baked chicken with the gravy and pasta and some macaroni pie, guys. Cook a whole heap of food. Whole heap of food I cook Sunday for Mother's Day. Today are Wednesday. I'm still have that amount of food leave back, so you must know. I'm them eat food every day. Alright, so yeah, so where me I end the vlog, guys. So I hope you enjoy the day with me. Although still morning, day and a half done, but maybe start a different vlog after this. So enjoy this one. Remember to like, remember to comment, guys, and to share me out. Catch you in the next one. Bye.